I don't do this talking into a camera thing. Everybody says that. It's kind of lame. You know, people are like, you know, I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna do it, and I feel awkward doing this, but... Well, I'm just gonna talk. So, got plenty of rest last night. I was pretty grumpy. Tried to upload a dog video, the last video they have to upload before I can upload Europe stuff. And I got it to export or render, or whatever it's called, into the proper video, this and that. And then went to the site, went to upload, and took a shower. Whenever I went to bed, it was at 30% until it premiered. Got up today, put the laptop away, locked it in the bathroom because our Airbnb doesn't have a lock on the door for some reason. Whatever. But locked it in the bathroom, coming to Fussel or wherever we're at, I don't know where we're at. This part of Austria. Drove 15 minutes away. Go to check the account. Subscribers have gone up to almost 600, so thank you, donut operator. That means a lot. I appreciate you sending your army my way. Your donut holes. But it didn't upload. My computer must have fell asleep or something. So after we do this castle, I'm tired anyways. I think I'm probably gonna just go back to the Airbnb, upload that video, edit some more video, because it's at this point it's starting to get a little bit fun, like a hobby should be. So we'll see. It'd be great if this hobby turned beneficial monetarily, so that way I could justify buying more stuff, like a mic. I need a mic bad. Not bad. I mean, this has a good mic, anyways. But started out the morning with breakfast. Took forever to find a place because people don't eat hot breakfast here, like eggs and stuff. They eat like a pretzel. Not kidding. They eat pretzels for breakfast. Freaking weird. Delicious pretzels, but should go with something. Anyways, got our tickets for the castle. Walked up the hill. Castle's right there. We're early for our appointment. Yeah, I gotta take a picture. But I'm drinking schnapps. There's some really pretty paintings of these operas and stuff, and it's gorgeous. I wouldn't have paid more than €13, 15 bucks or whatever. It's not it's cheaper than the Biltmore estate. The Biltmore is expensive for what it is. Biltmore, you see same amount of rooms, but you pay twice as much. But at the same time, they have the areas more accessible. Here it's this castle, so these rooms like this with a vaulted ceiling, I don't know what that type of ceiling is, but basically it's covered in tons of different references to operas. This guy apparently really liked opera. He dedicated the entire castle to Wagner, so that's a thing. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty. Okay, so this looks so good. Okay. Oh yeah. What? Square peg, round hole?
Justice, but we are at the castle. You can't see it, but I just want you to see how beautiful. I'm moving to, okay, are we in Germany?
Austria.
This is Austria?
Austria.
Okay, just kidding. This is still Austria, you guys.
There's some really pretty paintings of these operas and stuff, and it's gorgeous. I wouldn't have paid more than €13, 15 bucks or whatever. It's not it's cheaper than the Biltmore estate. The Biltmore is expensive for what it is. Biltmore, you see same amount of rooms, but you pay twice as much. Tons of different references to operas. This guy apparently really liked opera. He dedicated the entire castle to Wagner. So that's a thing. But yeah, I mean, it's worth 13 bucks. It's pretty. It's interesting to see how this Bavarian king valued the 6 canonized kings of Europe or something. I don't know.
Mom. Yeah, in a bit, not now. Taking a picture, but. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. I'm trying to get the background of them. Just right. She's better.
Maybe do the wide angle?
Wide? That's what I'm doing.
No, like zoom out.
Oh. Ooh.
Touch my face.
Touch your face.
Oh, look at the kitchen with brass stuff. It's almost like a cartoon kitchen. With all the brass. There's that copper. Probably copper. Brass would tarnish. Wait, no, copper would tarnish. Well, I don't know. There's a rotisserie. Sure. Let's cross.
Hi. Yeah, why did we have to
I don't know. What are you drinking?
Fanta.